Welcome to this deep dive review of ProFreeHost, a service that promises completely free web hosting with unlimited bandwidth and disk space. At first glance, ProFreeHost appears to be the perfect solution for beginners or anyone trying to build a web presence without spending a dime. The sign-up process is straightforward, no credit card required, and the interface feels familiar if you've used any cPanel-based host before. Once inside the dashboard, you get access to essential tools like the file manager, MySQL databases, email accounts, and PHP support. The hosting is ad-free, which is surprisingly generous for a free plan. You can also connect a custom domain or use a free subdomain. I tested this with a WordPress installation and was able to get the site up and running within minutes. However, the performance is where things start to get complicated. While simple static sites load reasonably fast, the moment you try anything dynamic, like WordPress with plugins or e-commerce setups, you'll start noticing slowdowns. There are frequent outages, and downtime monitoring showed several instances of unplanned maintenance. Customer support is non-existent, literally. You're completely on your own if anything goes wrong, and the knowledge base is outdated and very limited. And just when it felt like everything was lagging, AltaHost turned out to be the one solution that simply works. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Another serious issue is ProFreeHost's vague fair usage policy. Although they claim unlimited resources, accounts are often suspended without clear reasons if you consume too many system resources. This makes it risky for anything beyond experimental or hobby sites. There's also no option for automatic backups or SSL certificates unless you manually install them, which can be tricky for beginners. Despite these issues, ProFreeHost still has a place for users who are just learning web development or want to test an idea before committing to paid hosting. But for anything professional, stable, or involving sensitive data, this isn't a platform you can rely on. If you're looking for better alternatives with real support, better speed, and advanced features, you'll want to look elsewhere. But if your expectations are low and you're just experimenting, ProFreeHost might be good enough for you, for now. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews and tech insights.